Masottina Contradagranda Conegliano di Valdobbiadene. Prosecco Superiore. Is it ever gonna be good with meat? Yes. Steak tartare. Give it a shot. Masottina Contradagranda Brut. Contradagranda. What is it? It's actually the heart of the center of Conegliano Veneto, place where Prosecco is born. So we're about to go for something that is still in the area of Ogliano, where 80% of the grapes come, very, very steep hills, but also there will be a 20% of grapes that come from the Solighetto area, which usually hands over the wine a little bit of floral character to it. Pale straw color, a little bit of green golden color. The mousse, the perlage is fine. On the nose is all about candied citron and ginger, lots of ginger, ripe white fruit like pears and apples, and a touch of honey. On the palate, the perlage is very generous. There is actually much more dryness. It's a good thing than I was expecting to find from the ripeness of the nose. So this wine is actually a good wine to go, of course, with any aperitivo that you want, but this tension on the palate also would allow the wine to go with some, say for instance, steak tartare with extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and there you go.